Let's get straight to it. I won't bore you with the usual talk about turning your knowledge into digital gold, but here's something you may not fully realize. Creating a signature course takes a lot of time. That's the main reason why people struggle to monetize their knowledge through course creation. They just can't find the time. And just like you, your audience is busy for a lengthy 6 to 9 week program. They're out after quick, efficient solutions to their problems. And guess what? That's exactly what a mini course solves for you and your audience. Mini courses are all the rage, and I'm here to guide you through crafting one in just 3 days. For those of you that have no idea who I am, hey, I'm Carl, the creative mind behind Course Creativ, your ultimate online platform for crafting, selling, and scaling your online courses, coaching programs, and communities. In the past year, I've been a busy bee. I've launched several best-selling courses like Brain Brew AI, Social Brew, Webinar Brew, Pre-Sell, and Stream Surge. With 11 years of experience, I've gained a deep understanding of online course creation industry as it stands today. So what are mini courses? Let me tell you how the strategy works. You select one topic, then you create a mini course that breaks down that topic into easily digestible chunks. As you develop these mini courses, you'll steadily generate income because you're launching them and having them for sale without the pressure of completing your signature course all at once. Once each mini course covers each topic comprehensively, you can combine them into one cohesive signature course. So now that what you have done is you've created a revenue flow of multiple mini courses in one signature course that you can sell over and over again. That's the strategy. This approach not only allows for continuous monetization, but it also provides opportunities to refine your content based on feedback. Ultimately, it's strategy that minimizes pressure and maximizes efficiency, creating a win-win scenario for both you and your audience. So, do you want to learn my exact step-by-step strategy for launching your mini course in 3 days? If you're ready to kickstart your course creation journey or take your business to new heights without spending months learning the ropes, click the button below and join the 3-day course challenge. See you on the other side.